Adventure calls, and the ECD auto-designed Defender answers. Engineered for the unexpected, this isn't just any Defender. Like all ECD vehicles, it's a custom one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Off-road capability and luxury, built for adventure and individuality. ECD Defenders are more than a truck, they're a statement. But this Defender isn't alone on its journey. Meet its perfect companion, the Turtleback trailer. Off-road durability meets camping comfort. Just like the ECD Defender, the Turtleback trailer is packed full of features that will make any trip an adventure without compromise. With this trailer, setting up is a breeze and even fun. No more spending the day trying to set up a tent and sleeping on the ground. That's not all. What seems to be a compact size opens up with plenty of surprises, much like the one-of-a-kind Defender that's pulling it. From rocky trails to home-cooked meals by the lake, this duo is ready for anything. As the sun peaks from the horizon, casting a warm glow across the lake, a new day's adventure begins. Prepare for breakfast on the integrated kitchen. Enjoy features like a Snowmaster fridge freezer, a hot camp shower, supported by a 44-gallon hot water on-demand tank. The trailer is loaded with conveniences, such as propane, water storage, solar capability, camp lights, and dual lithium batteries. Just like your iconic Defender, these are those experiences that will become legendary. At ECD, we believe in building much more than vehicles. We believe in building memories that last a lifetime. An ECD Defender and Turtleback trailer combo can transform a simple camping trip into an unforgettable journey of comfort and exploration. Are you ready to create your own family adventure? Discover the perfect Defender for your next expedition and pair it with our new Turtleback trailer for the ultimate family-friendly travel experience.